my name is Serena Vincent, and I have been researching the fairness of the congestion control algorithm named NADA for web-based communications with other researchers from Carnegie Mellon University. So, for some background, there has been a large increase in web-based real-time communications in the past few years, but there has been no standard congestion control algorithm defined for WebRTC. And one of the algorithms that is being considered is network-assisted dynamic adaptation, or NADA. But we don't know if NADA is fair enough to other congestion control algorithms deployed on the internet already. So to test this, we tested NADA against other congestion control algorithms like TCP Neutrino, TCP Cubic, and even itself, while varying some of their testbed and network properties like queue size, round trip time, and some NADA properties like maximum rate and minimum rate, to see if NADA is fair enough to other algorithms to be considered the standard for WebRTC. Thank you.